What is going on, guys? I previously did a video where I compared my two favorite shift knobs for the Focus ST, the Cobb and the Mountain. Guys, today I'm gonna be installing another shift knob that I've always wanted, and it just might take my top spot of my favorite shift knobs for my Focus ST. Guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, if you've been following my Focus ST build, you will know that its name is Gengar and the car's theme is purple and anything Galaxy related. I'm going to flip the camera around and kind of show you a couple things. So underneath my engine bay, everything is purple or Galaxy, minus Kirby, who is pink, and this random alien. Gengar peeking right there. I got Galaxy overlays. Let me walk around to the back. Even my kayak, guys, even my kayak is Galaxy, okay? That's how much I like Galaxy. There's the rear ST badge, rear Ford emblem, of course Gengar. Even my Cobb is wrapped in Galaxy. Steering wheel logo. So as you can tell, I really love anything Galaxy related or themed or whatever you want to call it. So, I had my eye on this shift knob for a while from Billetworkz. I did not want to pay full price for this. I actually found this from a guy named Keegan off of Facebook Marketplace. Shout out to you if you ever watch this video. But guys, check this Galaxy shift knob out from Billetworkz. Guys, this is the shift knob I've always wanted. It is way heavier than any of my current shift knobs. I have the stock shift knob, Cobb, that's just painted purple. This was red and black. This Pokeball that I got at a car show, it's more for looks, kind of like a car show whenever I go, because my car is named Gengar. And then my favorite for the longest time was this Mountain. It's just, you know, regular shift knob. But man, all these shift knobs are super lightweight. This one is really heavy. So I'm anxious to see how I'm going to like this compared to the Mountain and Cobb shift knob, because those was my favorites before I got this. And based off of looks, this is my favorite already, of course. But let's get this thing installed and let's see how I really like it. Alright, if you need to see how to change this, I do have another video on how to change a shift knob. It's really easy though, and most of y'all are probably not here for this, but just in case you are, I'll link a card right here that shows you how to change a shift knob in your Focus ST. But this actually come with like a jam nut style shifter, or a jam nut that you screw down on here and you screw your shift knob and you kind of tighten it with a wrench. I don't really like the looks of it, so I already had this for my Pokeball shift knob. This is an adapter that I got off of eBay. I'll link this part in the description box below if y'all are wondering about it. But I'm just going to screw this on. And guys, what this does, this allows you to keep your reverse lockout. So I'm just going to screw this down a good amount. And I'm sure I'll have to adjust this once I get this on. I just need to make sure I leave plenty of room to go in reverse. Right. That seems like it's pretty decent there. So let's go ahead and thread this bad boy on. Alright, the way I did this made this just a little bit taller, which I don't mind at all. I'll link this in the description box below. This factory one is plastic, and I got this one off of eBay as well, so both of these come off of eBay. But yeah, I actually really like that. I like the black on black, and then on the Galaxy, I like that the shift knob sits up just a little bit higher. So, yeah. You can go see how Oh, guys, I absolutely love that. So I might drive around with this for a little while, just see how I like it. But guys, the Billetworkz, if you're thinking about going for a Billetworkz shift knob for your Focus ST or anything else, I highly recommend it. And guys, this galaxy pattern looks absolutely sick. I might do an updated review on this and compare all three to see which one I really like the best. But guys, for now, this is going to be the shift knob I run. So yeah, pretty pumped. Well, alright guys, that's where I went today's video. Short and sweet, I know. It was another shift knob video, but it's shift knob I've always wanted, and I really wanted to do a video on it. Plus, when I was looking up that shift knob, I didn't see any Galaxy ones done on a Focus ST. So I think this is the first one that I have seen on YouTube. Guys, the holidays are coming up. Get your loved ones some LED lights off of oxedo.com. Guys, use code Brian Lewis to save yourself 15% off of any LED bulbs on the site. Huge shout out to Oxedo for sending me. Those are my fog lights for my Civic Sport. Thank you so much for sending those. If you need any other mods like the Garrett intercooler, engine intake, AWE track exhaust, just like I've bought for my Focus, visit www.panamotorworks.com. Use code BLEWIS to save yourself some money on all these mods just like I did. Guys, make sure you check out all the Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. Like I said, the holidays are here. If you're dating a car guy, make sure you get him what he really wants and not just more underwear and socks. If you're not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. A lot more to come on my Focus and my Civic Sport. Until next time.